In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a AWeber subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can confidently wrap things up without any confusion. First, start by logging into your AWeber account. Use a desktop browser if you can. It's usually easier to see all the menu options and page sections clearly. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your account name there. This corner is important because it's the doorway to the settings you need. Click your account name, and from the options that appear, choose My Account. This will take you to your main account settings area, where you can review and manage details tied to your subscription. Take a moment to let the page load fully so everything shows up as expected. Next, inside your account settings, select Billing. This section is where AWeber keeps your plan information, payment details, and your cancellation control. It might take a second to locate if you're not familiar with the layout, but it's typically right in the menu of account options. Now scroll to the bottom of the billing page. You're looking for the option labeled Close My Account. It's intentionally placed at the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Keep scrolling until you do. When you find it, click Close My Account. After you click, be prepared for a confirmation step. Many services will ask you to confirm that you want to proceed, and you might see a short survey or a message explaining what happens next. Read any notes on the screen carefully so you understand the timing and any immediate effects, like access changes. If a confirmation is required, go ahead and confirm to finalize your cancellation. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message so you have a record that the cancellation went through. If you don't see anything after a reasonable time, check your spam or junk folders, just in case. To quickly recap, log in, click your account name in the bottom left corner, choose My Account, go to Billing, and at the bottom of that page, click Close My Account, then complete any on-screen confirmations. Follow these steps and you'll cancel your AWeber subscription smoothly and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and stress-free.